In this video, I want to talk about how you can do P2P on Trust Wallet. Now keep in mind, this is simply just a wallet, so you cannot do the original P2P, but what you can do is you can send and receive crypto with another person. Now keep in mind, if you do this, you need to actually trust this person, and it should not just be some stranger, because then they can just keep your crypto. But how this works is the person that is going to receive the crypto needs to click on receive, select what he's going to receive. So let's say you guys are going to do Bitcoin. He'll click here and he's going to have an address. Then he's going to copy this address and send it to you. And then what you need to do is press send, select Bitcoin, and then you want to type in the address that he sends you and how much you want to send him. In this way, you now send the Bitcoin to him. Now, like I said before, keep in mind that this should only be with people that you trust, since there is no official P2P trading on the Trust Wallet. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.